Hey folks, our normal high this time of year is around 84, and we're still running that or above across a lot of the valley, even as we're getting close to sunset across the area. 88 in McAllen, 83 Port Isabel at the current hour. A very warm day across the valley, and dew points are up, so it's humid as well. These are your forecast lows tonight. We're not going to drop below the low to mid 70s, about 76 at the beach, 75 in Brownsville. Everybody else between 72 and 74 degrees, so a very mild night. And then tomorrow afternoon, back in the 90s across most of the valley once again. Warm and humid. The beach cooler as always, about 83 degrees there, about 88 in Brownsville for your high tomorrow. So another very warm day, very humid with a little bit of a breeze, but not a particularly strong wind out of the southeast. You look at the next 3 days, and there's your average high of 84. And again, that's a 30-year average. We're going to be 90, 91, 91. So we'll be above that, not up to record levels, but certainly warmer than you normally expect in early November. As far as sunshine goes, I think we'll see plenty of it. Patchy clouds overnight, but during the daytime, sun takes over. We're partly to mostly sunny tomorrow afternoon, and should be a nice night for football tomorrow night. A little bit warm, but again, for this time of year, well above normal. Saturday looks like a pretty good day as well, but temperatures are going to be back in the 90s with bright sunshine. The chance of rain is pretty much gone through the weekend, certainly, and through most of next week as well. Looks like things are going to be pretty dry. We just don't see a mechanism to trigger any big-time rain. Satellite over the state shows a pretty quiet day. Some high clouds kind of streaming from the Pacific across northern Mexico and into our region. That's the only reason the sky is not just a pure blue during the afternoon hours. And there is a cool spot on the map. You look up north, Oklahoma City 64, Dalhart 60, but Dallas is 91 and Abilene's 85. So you can tell there's a front sitting right here, a front that is not going to make it to us. It'll stall long before it gets here. There it is on the map. This is Future Track. This is the North American model, and it shows that front getting to about Dallas tomorrow afternoon, but warm and humid conditions don't change here. Yes, a little bit for North Texas, but even that's brief because the front turns around and by Saturday moves back to the north as a warm front. So North Texas, Oklahoma, Kansas will all warm up as we head into the weekend, and the warm, humid conditions prevail into next week as well. Here's Sunday, no change for us. Monday, no change for us. Tuesday, that front's still not here, but maybe late Wednesday, early Thursday, we can see that front push through. But until then, you can write off any kind of a cool down. You can write off any kind of a rain chance. Again, maybe late Wednesday into Thursday. That's about the best chance, and even that, just a small chance. At the coast, winds out of the south-southeast 10 to 15 knots. There's a moderate chop on the bay. UV index is high. The surf temperature stands at 78. There are the tides. Seas running 3 to 5 feet. No advisories today. Probably none tomorrow either. So 73 tonight, some clouds and maybe some patchy fog later on. Southeast winds 5 to 15. Then tomorrow back up to 90, mostly sunny. Some clouds early, but they should burn off. Winds will pick up out of the southeast, not all that strong, maybe 10 to 20 miles an hour. Saturday looks about the same, as does Sunday. Numbers not changing much going to next week, and the numbers don't change much at all until maybe late Wednesday, early Thursday. That's when that next front gets close, but you can tell by the numbers it's not a big deal. It will kind of sneak through the valley late Wednesday or Thursday and cool it off just a little bit. And yes, this is the weekend. You set the clock back 1 hour. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.